Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious Gajar ka halwa in Halwai style without any mawa. So without any further ado, let's begin. Take a kadai, add 3/4 cup of ghee, add few strands of saffron. This will help to intensify the color and will impart a beautiful and royal aroma to the halwa. Add 5 crushed green cardamoms. Now add the carrots. Here I've taken 1 kg of grated carrots. Remember to take the long red ones to impart a perfect taste. Saute the carrots on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. This will help to enhance the overall taste, will provide a rich color and helps to retain the structure of the carrots. This is an important step. Do not skip it. As you can see, the carrots have turned bright orange. At this stage, we will lower the flame and add a liter of milk. Remember, for 1 kg of carrots, I have added 1 liter of milk. Mix it very well. Now close the lid and cook on low flame till the milk gets evaporated completely. This will take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Remember, for the best results, slow cooking is the key. As you slow cook, the fat of the milk starts to produce considerably, which will add a rich taste to the halwa. When the milk is almost evaporated and the fat of the milk starts to appear, at this stage we will fry some dry fruits and add it to the halwa. Take a fry pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add a handful of cashews and almonds or any dry fruits of your choice. Saute till it turns golden brown like so, and now add this to the halwa. Give it a nice mix. Add the seeds of 3 green cardamoms. Add a pinch of salt to balance out the flavors. This is important. Add 1.5 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar as per your sweet preference. Now once the sugar begins to melt, it will impart a nice gloss texture to the halwa. Now saute it on medium to high flame, stirring it continuously for the desired consistency and to intensify the color more. After 15 minutes, a delicious and tasty Gajar ka halwa is ready to be served. This has thickened beautifully. Let's do the plating. Hope so you have liked the recipe. Definitely try this delicious dessert. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.